Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true.
So come on and tickety check yourself before you wreck yourself.
The water cycle. The water cycle. The water cycle. The water cycle. Evaporation. Evaporation. Condensation. Condensation. Precipitation. Precipitation. Collection. Collection. Evaporation and condensation. Precipitation and collection.
The water cycle, there's a roti, a move it up and down.
Evaporation and condensation. Precipitation and collection.
The heat warms up the water turns into vapor.
Evaporation and condensation. Precipitation and collection.
Vapor goes up to the clouds, cold makes vapor become water.
Evaporation and condensation. Precipitation and collection.
Raindrops fall on our head. The water cycle begins again.
Evaporation